Okay, let's do a quick makeup. As a mom, I do not have time to even do my skincare in the morning, so I'm just gonna quickly use this primer. It's so hydrating. Oh my god. It is from Cheekbone. You can see the instant shine that it's giving my face. Oh, my baby did not sleep all night, and that leaves me no time. Let's do this. Plan, I'm using a number 3 and a number 4. I'm gonna scribble it like my little girl would do on my face and quickly blend it. The best part about using pencil sticks, keep sharpening it like it's literally a pencil. It just like self-cleansing. Do not forget the neck. Do not forget the neck. And because this is great for sensitive skin, all skin types, I'm not even worried about using it on my under eye because I feel that's the most sensitive area of the face. So I don't need a beauty blender, I don't need any brushes. I'm just blending it in like I'm doing my skincare. You know, it's that easy. I'm actually gonna just do a blush. It already has a little shine, so eyes, and just blend it a little to just give that a little peachy look. And I also do it a little around my nose. I'm using the Fearless eyeshadow in the shade Plum, corner on my eye, so it just gives a little lift. This comes with castor oil, so I don't have to like worry about applying mascara and not taking care of my lashes. It's just so good. It's like doing skincare when I'm doing my mascara, you know. I'm using the Keyah. I love how this still keeps my natural lips. And swipe back to see the before. This is the after, and I think this is a really good mom look.